is your so what in these conditions what happened? And large intestine urinary bladder, we have the most similar gases. What gas we have in large intestine, no? The same gas we have the similar in the urinary bladder. So that's why the both organ is like affecting at the same time. So when we do the diagnosis like contractor on back side of the tongue, so that's we mostly do diagnosis for both urinary bladder and for your large intestine. When one organ become imbalanced, they will create a problem with another one too. Like the same, when we have more gas, we'll go urinations for more times. Okay? So these both are connected with the same organ. So contacted tongue, back of the tongue. You see this tongue? Okay?
Oh yeah.
Mostly contacted tongue on the stomach, on the intestines, you will not find that much. There is, very minimum cases. So contacted tongue means stagnated gas. The gas is more stagnated in the intestine area. The stiffness in cervical, the first symptom in cervical muscle, okay? Stiffness in the cervical muscle. It's very common. The stiffness on the cervical muscle. Frequent urination in this. Okay, frequent urinations. Dry skin. Why skin become dry?
There's too much of gas.
So when we discuss about the each and every element and their specific governing tissue, for example, spleen govern the muscles, kidney govern the bone, and liver govern the cartilage and tendons. Okay, like the same, our large intestines and lungs govern the skin. Our large intestine and lungs is governing the skin. Okay.
You have to repeat the other one.
Pardon?
Repeat the other things. Large intestine governs skin.
Yeah.
And kidney governs muscles.
No, spleen govern the muscles.
Spleen.
Spleen govern the muscles.
Okay.
Okay. Liver and gallbladder, they govern the tendon and the cartilage, ligament. Okay. Okay. I'll start one by one. Let's start from fresh. Okay. Which is the first element? Ether. Ether. Which organs do you have? Ether. Which organs do you have? Here, organ. Here. Lungs and large intestine.
Ether. skill.
Yeah, later I send you the proper PDF, but just do one paragraph, write it like this: ether, air,
Fire,
fire,
water,
water, and earth. Okay? That? Okay. Now the write first here element. Which element is connected with which organ?
Ether is connected with skill.
Okay. Okay. So start one by one. Ether is connected. Sorry. This is only element. We have to write the organ. Sorry. Organ.
Lungs and lungs.
Okay. Yeah. So ether is connected with lungs and large intestine. Air is connected with the liver and gallbladder. And fire is connected with the heart and small intestine. Water is connected with the kidney and pericardium. Okay. Lungs and large intestine, liver and gallbladder, heart and small intestine, kidney and urinary bladder, spleen and stomach. Okay. The next I will repeat only one time. So go please all together. Now we will write the sense quality. Sense organ or sense quality. Okay. Now we will go one by one. Sense quality. Ether is connected with the lungs and large intestine is connected with the smell. Okay. The smell is opening more your lungs and large intestine. Okay. Then air.
Skin,
Touch.
that skin.
Okay. Yeah. Air is connected with the touch. Air element. Touch. Fire element.
Vision,
Vision. Colors. Colors किससे लेते हैं?
विजन
आज भी बिना कलर नहीं है. Okay. Fire is vision. Water is taste.
yes.
Okay, sorry, there is one mild mistake. Ether is a sound actually.
It is sound.
Okay.
So, here,
The sound.
Yeah, first one, ether is the sound, and earth is the smell. Now just I realize because of the earth is smell, no? Yeah. Earth is the smell, and ether is the sound. One is called motor organ. Okay. Motor organ means from that area we stimulate that organ a lot. Okay. That part of the body is largely connected with the to stimulate our ether element, air element, like this all. For example, ether is connected with like voice, the sound, voice sound, no?
sound.
It balance the ether element. Okay, so write it. Okay. Voice, only voice. The sound is a sensory organ, but this voice is like stimulating our lungs. Okay. Air is hand. Air is yeah. Motor organ. Air is hand. Through the hand. Fire in the feet. Fire in the feet.
Heat.
you walk
In CO2 we have the more heat, and in oxygen in the hand we have more oxygen. Oxygen is stimulates more like pure gas, which is the lead water. Water is like a urinogenitals, which means vagina and
Urethra.
huh?
Urethra.
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 So
Urethra.
urethra, it passes out.
Yeah, urinogenitals, so which means the connected with your vagina and penis only. No?
Urethra.
Alien ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
Sorry, I go back. You say we have more oxygen in the hands
Hence,
and in the feet.
feet we have the carbon dioxide more. So in carbon dioxide we have heat. Carbon dioxide is not like the only gases.
Acid.
Yeah? Okay, so means the toxicity acids versus acid with like gases. And earth is connected with the
ವಾಟರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು
water. Just we discussed. no?
ಯುರೆತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Yeah, water. Okay, and last one is earth. Earth is opening, or earth is like controlled through the Muladhara chakra, which means the anus. Those are you already know. Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Those are you already know. Planets. Ether. First we start with ether. Ether is Jupiter. Air is Saturn and Rahu. What is Rahu in English?
Air is Saturn.
Yeah, air is Saturn and Rahu.
What is Rahu? In English? Rahu is the Hindi word. I don't know. So anyone knows what is Rahu?
ರಾಹು ಗ್ರಹಂ
Rahu and Saturn is same? I don't know. I don't know.
It's like lunar node.
Rahu is a lunar node. Then we don't need to. In English there is nothing then. Just Saturn.
lunar
Yes, Rahu,
node.
we can write Rahu.
क्या बात?
Rahu is the Indian astrology super. Western, I don't think they consider.
they do lunar node,
Yeah, it's a very Indian thing. We've always heard of it.
Shadow planet. Shadow planet.
So it's like, in the Vedic astrology, they used to say like this.
No, it's
Like in a lunar cycle, we have 8 to 9 planets, no? Which planet is end of the
Pluto.
yeah? Okay, so that that affect more.
It's the larger one. It's the larger planet that affects you more, no?
Yeah, it's saying like it's same like in acupuncture, the distal point is affecting more, no? Exactly like the same. Like this is the distal point is affecting more in your lungs, in your lung side. So both we have a distal point. They all are like feet and arm like this, away away from the organ. So exactly same Vedic astrology they are saying which is the organ is more far away from the sun, no? That organ is controlled more resonance. So that's why in the Vedic astrology they give lots of value to Rahu and Ketu.
Yeah.
To what? Ketu.
Rahu and Ketu. There is one more word Ketu. I don't know Ketu also in English.
Again, it's just
But
very
that
Indian.
defies the laws of gravity.
Hmm?
That defies the laws of gravity. Like, the larger the planet, the more gravitational pull it has for something. So Pluto is a very small little planet. So we were taught that is the least influence on you because its mass is less than say something like Mars. Like that Mars has more of a gravitational pull than Pluto on you, so it affects you more. Yeah, baby.
Why I don't know, because I have not read that much of the deep in this science, but I understand some of the logic when they give some logic. So I understand the logic, and they're saying like which is the more distant one. that is controlling the whole
No.
resonance and gravity of that lunar cycle. So it is
Where
a
is Saturn?
So Rahu and Ketu are not physical planets. So they are where the moon and the sun's path intersect.